You're somewhere over here. You need money for many things. You need money for food. You need to buy clothes. You need money to buy a house. You need money to buy a car. You need money to take care of your family. You also want to go on nice holidays from time to time. You want to be happy and make your family happy, but you need money for all these things. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can make some money online with just your computer or your laptop and internet connection. It's easy to do and it's absolutely free. What's great about this is that it's available worldwide. So if you're in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, South America, we can all get access to this opportunity. So before I show you this awesome strategy, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button to subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click that red button that says subscribe and click on that bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you will receive a notification either on your phone or on your computer. So, what we're going to be looking at is different ways on how we can make money from simply writing articles. Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. It's absolutely easy to do, don't worry. Make sure you don't skip any part of the video because every part is very important. You want to make sure you don't skip any part of the video because I'm going to explain to you what you need to do. So over here you will see the different websites that actually pay you for actually writing articles. For example, here you get between $50 to $100 per article. If you scroll down over here, you'll see you get $50 to $150 for every article. If you scroll down, you'll see here you get $100 to $750 per article. Over here you get $100 to $200 per article. Here you get $25 to $500 per article. So the list goes on. It's about 10 different websites. So there are different websites that you can choose and actually make money from writing articles. Now I'm going to show you what you need to do. For example, let's take, here. The website is called ListVerse. So ListVerse is just a place filled with articles. For example, we have here top 10 record-breaking body parts, top 10 remarkable achievements of 4chan, top 10 ways you work for Google for free. So it's just basically different kinds of articles on different topics, and they get paid $100 per article, which is really a lot of money for doing something that is really easy. So you can actually write an article and it can appear on this website and they're going to pay you $100 per article that you actually write. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the very bottom over here. Then you're going to see write and get paid. So when you click on write and get paid, I'm going to show you something interesting over here. Get paid $100. As you can see over here, get paid $100. And what it's going to tell you is that, so here's the deal. We'll pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker and a sense of humor and a love of things unusual or interesting. So all you need to do is be able to have a level of English so you can write an article, and you don't need to be an expert as they tell you over here. They're not looking for experts. They just want you to write something that is interesting that people would like to read. As you can see over here, the topics are really they're very simple topics on ListVerse. For example, the 10 creepiest episodes of paranormal television, the 10 tech crazies that failed to change the world. So just different interesting topics like that, and you're going to get paid $100 per topic. And they say it works like this. You write your list, 10 items per list. So you want to make sure that in your list there are 10 items, minimum of 10 items, and you send it in. then they say, we reply and say, great, we'll publish it and send you $100. So if it's nice, they're going to send you a message telling you that yes, this was really interesting, and then they're going to pay you $100, and they're going to pay you via PayPal. They only pay via PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, I'll show you how you can get a PayPal account so you can receive your money. It's really easy to do, and I'm going to show you where you can get these articles free of charge and actually make money from them. So what you need to do, over here at the very bottom, you're going to see submit a list. So when you click on submit a list, it's going to take you to this page over here. So basically, this is where you're going to write your article. Put in an author name or a nickname, put in your email address, put in your PayPal email address, which I'll show you how you can get, and author blurb. Just write something about yourself over here, just a brief description on who you are. And here you're going to write your article. So you're going to put the list title, just put the title of your article, an introduction to your list, and then just write your articles with all the 10 things. Like for example here, if we click on top 10 fruits that have drastically changed, if we click on that, let me show you on how it looks so you know how you want to actually present it. So you have the title over here. This title over here is exactly the title they want over here. And over here, what they've written over here is exactly what you would like to put in a clear introduction to your list. And then over here is where you have your actual article, which is this over here. So it will be number 10, banana, number 9, apricot, number 8, durian, number 7, peach, number 6, tomato, number 5, watermelon, number 4, apple, number 3, eggplant, and so on and so forth. So I hope you understand how this is going to work. Now, where can you actually get articles? Go onto a website called articlecity.com. So when you're over here, what you want to do is you want to click on all articles over here. So when you click on all articles, it's going to take you onto the next page over here that's going to provide you with so many articles that you can choose from. So you want to scroll down and you will see here article category, so you can decide the kinds of articles you want to choose from. So maybe you want an article on food and drink, then you would click on food and drink and then choose for an interesting article that you would like to use. So this is the food and drink department over here. So we have here homemade trail mix, 5 healthy recipes you will love snacking on. Over here we have how to cook the perfect steak, an awesome recipe. So as you can see, so many articles you can choose from. Weird McDonald's menu items you can only eat in these 8 countries. So now let's say for example you decide to choose on this article and you want to actually use this article. You can actually use this specific article and actually make money and use it on the ListVerse website over here and actually submit it and make money from it. But you need to reword it, and I'm going to show you how you can reword that for yourself. So if you have the article here, for example, just click here, read more, so you can actually see the entire article and how it looks like. So you would click on read more, so it would show you the article. So here it is. So for example, here's what you're gonna do. When you copy this, you copy it. Go onto a website called Spinbot.com. So Spinbot is actually going to reword an entire article for you and make it your own so that it becomes your own words. So it makes it look like you wrote it yourself. So you would paste exactly the article paragraph Then you just click here, I am not a robot. So just wait for it to finish this I am not a robot thing. Okay, then you click on go. So wait for it. It's going to reword the entire article for you so that you can actually use it for yourself. So here it is, rewritten text. So the original text is, it says, creating a trail mix recipe is a fun task that involves picking your favorite healthy snacks and putting them all together. So you'll see the rewritten text would say, making a path blend formula is a great undertaking that includes picking your preferred solid tidbits and assembling them all. So they've reworded the entire article. So what you would want to do is actually, when you have your actual article over here, what you want to do is you want to select every single word of the article, and then you want to go back onto Spinbot and copy and paste every part of the article so that you reword it and make it your own. And then you can come back onto ListVerse and then you would paste it over here. So you would take this rewritten text, then you would copy that, then you would go back over here and then you would paste it on ListVerse over here, and make sure that you repeat the process so that your entire article is filled. And that's about it. If you don't want to go through this entire method, you can actually get people to get the article done for you very easily. Just go onto a website called SEO Clerks. When you're on SEO Clerks, what you want to do is you want to click here on Marketplace. Click on Marketplace over here. So you just want to make sure that Marketplace is selected over here. So let me see something. Click on Marketplace. Okay, there we are, Marketplace. And then you want to click here on Article Writing. So click on Article Writing. Okay, so it's going to provide you with people that will actually do the job for you. As you can see, I'll do a 1,000 to 2,000 words article writing, and they're only going to charge you $10, $8, $10, $5, $7. So it's relatively cheap. So you can get people to actually do the entire article for you. You will just tell them what you want the article to be about and so on and so forth, and just pay them. And when they send you your article, then you would go back onto ListVerse and put it there, and you will make $100 on ListVerse. So basically that's about it. And remember, very important, you only get your money via PayPal. So what you want to do is you want to go onto paypal.com, then you want to click here on sign up. So just click on sign up over here. Then you can choose between a personal account or business account. Just click on personal account, then click on next. So then just put in your phone number, then click on next, and it's absolutely easy to do. And you'll see all the available countries that support PayPal. So wherever you are, if you want to have a PayPal account, it doesn't matter where you're coming from. Many countries are accepted. So that's about it. I hope it makes sense to you. And if you have any questions or it's confusing, please comment your questions down below in the comment section and I'll make sure to reply. So that's about it. Very easy to do. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please just give this video a like, a thumbs up. Subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already. Just click that red button. It's absolutely free. and turn on the notification bell so that you receive a notification when I upload my new videos. And make sure to check out my playlist on my channel with different videos that can help you to make money online. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.